guys, it's Lizzy and you're watching Lizzy's TV. So today we coming to you again with another unboxing. This particular item is from Daily Sales. So I kind of went real cheap, but I wanted to see what kind of jewelry they give you in this mystery package. So I received my package and I'm ready to show you guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. You know, you guys can leave me a comment sometime. Let me know how things is going on. But anyway, okay, we're going to unbox this package. It's from dailysales.com. I only paid like $10 for it. So we're going to see what's in the box. The package. So it comes in a little envelope like this. Little orange envelope. It's a padded envelope. And let's see. Look like I need to. We're going to open it up. Let's see what's in here. I'm so excited to see what kind of jewelry they sent me. Because truly, I have no idea what they're going to send me for $10. So I just empty it all out. And I got my, the packaging receipt here. And if y'all don't mind, I got to have my glasses so I can see these things. Oh, okay. This is cute. I got a necklace here. That's a cute necklace. It's cute. Let's see what we got going on here. Oh, that's cute. Oh, it's got earrings to it. Oh, now that's nice. You guys see that? That is really, really nice. I like that. That's pretty. It's got some cute little earrings to go with it. So this is nice, you know, some costume jewelry, just something to use, you know, you going on a short trip or hanging out for the evening. Here's another necklace. This one says, I love you. It's got 2 charms on it. Got 2 charms. Say, I love you. And the other one says, to the moon and back. Oh, that's cute. I like that. This is so cute. Let me take it out so y'all can see it. So I'm so far okay. For $10, I'm pretty good just for some costume jewelry. So just a little something. That's pretty. That's really cute. I like that. I hope you guys can see it. I'm gonna take a picture of all of it at the end anyway. And you'll be able to see each one individually. Or pretty much all together. And we got some earrings. Earrings. These are cute. Little earring studs. These are really cute. I like, oh, it's like a double thingy. So these are cute. I can't wait to wear these. These are going to be nice. So those are pretty. They nice and shiny. They got some, I don't know, I guess that's rhinestones on it. Make them shine. That's pretty. So I like those. That's cute. Then we have another one here. Another necklace. I might do this again, y'all. I kind of like this. So this is, it's just like oh, wait a minute. I got it upside down. It's like the white one or the clear one. So that's cute. It's pink. Close to my birthstone. You know, that October, Scorpio. So that's cute. So these two are the same. It's just different colors. So those are cute. Hey, hey, hey. Nice. And then that one has earrings to go with it as well. Let me see. The earrings kind of like they're purple. I mean, the outside is a silver color, but and they little hearts, which is cute. They little hearts. Oh, that's cute. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm gonna try to put it up here. So they cute, but they are purple instead of pink. So they had it in here with this one, but they're darker. So, and forgive me, y'all, if my voice is a little raspy today. Kind of got a little bit of a cold here. So let's see. Here's the last one. These are cute. I really like these. It's different. They're called Crystal. They're by Crystal Jewelry. I don't know if you guys ever heard of Crystal, but that's what's on the card. Oh no, that's nice. It's a box. That's cute. A cube. Nice cube. Box cube. That's cute. I will wear all of these. I will wear every last one of these pieces. And then again, I'm guessing we got earrings again, but of course, they're the same color. They're purple as well. So, like I said, this is from Daily Sale. Yep, dailysale.com. And for these items, I only paid $10 for their mystery box. And I really enjoyed the mystery box. Because like I said, all of these pieces of jewelry, I am definitely going to wear them. So, I'm definitely going to wear them all. They're gorgeous. Inexpensive, of course. And most of all, I really like this one. This is cute. Look like a half moon. Got the little charm in the middle. That's beautiful. I like that. That's really cute. It say the same thing on both sides, so that's gorgeous. So anyway, that is my Daily Sales unboxing. I'm very satisfied with it. It's very cute. I will wear the jewelry. And yeah, it was worth my $10. I probably would pay more than that if I was to go out to a store and buy some costume jewelry. I probably would pay more than $10. So anyway, if you like this video, guys, don't forget, please subscribe. Subscribe and give me a like. And also leave a comment. If there is something that you want me to unbox, please leave me a comment and I will definitely see what I can do for you. Okay? All right, you guys enjoy the rest of your week and I will definitely be sending you another video soon. Bye.